Well, hey again, everyone. This is Bob from Hot Rock Central, and some of you that are just getting into solar are wondering, can you make power on a day like this? As you can see, it's a pretty overcast day. It's more on the bright side as far as overcast. It can get a lot worse if the density is a little bit thicker. That can make quite a bit of difference in the power output. But if you're wondering, can you make power on a day like this? Well, let's go inside and find out. And mind you, this is about noon right now. It's the peak sun of the day, so this is going to be maximum power that I'm going to possibly get on a day like this. Now over here on this charger, we're getting 65 amps off of that. That's on a 24-volt system. And on this charger, we're getting 43 amps there. And on this charger over here, I'm getting almost 11 amps. Then over here on my 48 volt system, I'm using, well, let's see, almost 600 watts right there. And I am putting 11 amps in the battery while running a load. So I'm not losing any power from the batteries. And the other thing is too is you've got to have a lot of solar panels to be able to do this too. Now, if you've seen my other videos, you know that I've got 69 solar panels totaling about 22 kW in panel power. So that makes quite a bit of difference whether you can make power on a day like this or not. The more panels you have, the better off you're going to be. So anyways, I hope that answers some of your questions on what kind of power you can make on a crappy day like this. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.